Ever wondered about the future of cryptocurrencies? What about the potential of new projects? Welcome to the world of digital currencies, a realm that is constantly evolving, growing and innovating. Among the myriad of projects emerging from this dynamic landscape, one has particularly caught our attention: Retik Finance. Much like the renowned Solana, Retik Finance is a blockchain platform that promises efficiency and scalability. It's a project that's caused quite a stir, with whispers of its potential to debut in the top 100 cryptocurrencies as early as 2024. But what makes Retik Finance so special? It's not just its similarity to Solana, but its unique features that set it apart from the crowd. From the Retik Wallet, the heart of its ecosystem, to the introduction of a DeFi debit card, Retik Finance is redefining the boundaries of decentralized finance. Now valued at just 11 cents, Retik Finance is a project that has managed to capture the attention of many. Retik Finance, a cryptocurrency similar to Solana, has been making waves with its innovative approach to decentralized finance. With an ambitious vision to redefine the financial landscape, Retik Finance is setting a new standard for cryptocurrencies. Its blockchain platform, like Solana, is designed for efficiency and scalability, offering a robust framework for transactions and smart contracts. But Retik Finance is not just a replica of Solana. It brings unique features to the table that set it apart from its competitors. These features, such as the Retik Wallet, the DeFi Debit Card and Retik Pay, enhance the user experience and revolutionize the way we interact with finance. They form the beating heart of the Retik Finance ecosystem and are designed to seamlessly merge the benefits of traditional finance with the power of decentralized finance. So you see, Retik Finance is not just another cryptocurrency, it's a project with a vision and a purpose. What sets Retik Finance apart from the rest? It's not just one thing, it's a combination of unique features. Firstly, we have the Retik Wallet. This isn't just a place to store your Retik tokens, it's the heart of the Retik Finance ecosystem. The wallet is designed to make your journey in decentralized finance smooth and intuitive, offering a user-friendly interface that newcomers and seasoned crypto enthusiasts alike will appreciate. Next up, the Retik DeFi Debit Cards. These aren't your ordinary debit cards. They're a bridge between the traditional financial world and the exciting realm of decentralized finance. With them, you can enjoy the benefits of a regular debit card while leveraging the power of DeFi. Finally, there's Retik Pay. This is a game changer for businesses and online stores. It's a payment solution that takes the best of both worlds, combining the convenience of traditional online payment systems with the security and transparency of blockchain technology. Retik Finance is more than a cryptocurrency. It's a comprehensive ecosystem designed to meet the needs of its users. As we look towards 2024, what can we expect from Retik Finance? Well, predictions are rife with anticipation. Retik Finance is not just another cryptocurrency. It's a project that's gaining momentum and expected to rise into the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market valuation. There's a growing buzz in the investor community, and the sentiment is overwhelmingly positive. Why? Because at just 11 cents, it offers an attractive entry point for investors. It's a perfect storm of opportunity and potential, and many are eager to ride this wave. The third quarter of 2024 is earmarked as a significant milestone for Retik Finance. It's expected to be listed on major crypto exchanges, a move that's set to propel it into the limelight, much like Solana's trajectory. With its scalability, comprehensive ecosystem and commitment to financial inclusivity, Retik Finance is poised for success in 2024 and beyond. So here's to Retik Finance, a rising star in the world of cryptocurrencies.
Retik Finance innovates in DeFi with its futuristic DeFi Debit Cards, smart crypto payments gateway, AI-powered peer-to-peer, P2P lending, and multi-chain non-custodial, highly secure DeFi wallet. Aiming to redefine global transactions, Retik stands a dynamic DeFi token built upon the Ethereum mainnet, adhering to the ERC20 standard. With a total supply of 1 billion, Retik powers the Retik Finance ecosystem, driving decentralized transactions and fueling the innovative financial solutions that define our platform as. Launch price expectations of Retik Finance. Retik Finance has plans to launch at 0.15 cents, with its ongoing pre-sale stages filling up rapidly. The project is generating anticipations for its official launch. If Retik Finance were to reach 0.15 cent launch price earlier and continue a growth trajectory, all investors could see significant returns. Retik Finance is a DeFi project with ambitious goals, innovative solutions, and a commitment to real-world utility. While predicting specific price targets in the cryptocurrency market is challenging, Retik's potential for substantial growth is evident. Reaching a price of $100 or more by 2024 is a real possibility for Retik Finance, given its impressive pre-sale success, innovative DeFi offerings, real-world integrations efforts, and launch price expectations. This is an informational video, should not be considered as financial advice. Pachan Ka Crypto does not advise anyone to invest in crypto market because crypto market is really a highly volatile market. If you want to invest in crypto market, please do your own research or consult with your financial advice. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you very much. We will meet you next time very soon. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.